folks, it's me again. There's a cricket taking over my video here. He's over there somewhere. Probably just walked in the building. What's today's video about? Well, maybe I should do a Monday. What's new? Monday weekly what's new. about 2 weeks ahead of weekly what's new. So this is a week or two before, since I can't really make videos and pop them immediately at the moment. It takes time to edit them. So what's new this week? Picked up a bunch of new tools that just seem to be falling out of the sky real cheap. You know, when you go to a garage sale and you're like, oh, that's cool. That's like worth more than $5. I'll take it. So found a few items. What else? Add to the collection or the hoard, because I'm not really a Vice collector anymore. I'm more like a hoarder now. I just buy all the Vice. I don't buy big ones anymore unless they're like $10. I'll buy a big Vice. So I bought a bunch of that. I went to. I've been trying to go to Harbor Freight for 2 months now. See if they got the what do you call it? A portaband freaking holder. It says in store only. Don't sell it online. Like, could you please sell it online? Make my life easier. What else? How's the building move going? Well, I started putting. I was actually at the new shop putting lights in. I didn't record any of it because it was the middle of the day. It was boiling hot, and I picked the worst freaking day ever to try to install Vice. There's a mosquito on my back. I can feel it trying to eat me. So I bought some Harbor Freight 5500 lumen LED lights. I killed them. And I chained two of them together. I basically took out a bunch of, what are they called? Fluorescent lights. And they were screwed in gyprock. So I took the lights out, and the gyprock had these gyprock screws. So what I did is used the existing gyprock screws for the lights. Put a little copper wire, put the chain on, and adjusted the chain. I took the wire coming out of the ceiling and put a plug in it, and I'm just gonna take out all the other ones and just mirror because they're all, chained together. The ceiling lights, I think there's 4 or 5 fluorescents. I'll take them out. Probably put a plug in each or whatever ceiling mount. Freaking what is it? Christ, a receptacle. Put a bulb in and just wire it through, and then I'll use the existing mounts to hang the lights. I got 10 lights, 5 for one side and 5 to the other. I got to buy at least 5 or 6 more, and it should light it up okay. So I tested it out. It lights it up a lot better than the old lights. Plus, it's cheaper. Apparently, you can chain 8 of them together or something. And I was using 8. I'm probably gonna use 8 in each row. Maybe putting like 6 this way and 2 this way or something. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sneeze. Probably all this awesome steel I have in front of me. So that's working. There is a front loader there's a backhoe in the way that is blocking the garage door that is supposed to be fixed. The person fixing it got sick, so he's in the hospital, so I gotta wait for that. It cleared out a little bit of space. I think he wants to clean the floor first, and I think the roof has to be fixed. So other than that, it's a work in progress. But once more stuff gets pulled out of there, and if they clean the floor or whatever, whatnot, I'll start pulling out some small stuff, probably take out some machines and just start putting it in the corner. I know one thing, there is not enough plugs in there, so I'm going to have to probably run, I know I'm going to have to run a plug for my milling machine and my lathe and my TIG welder. It'd be nice because I'll have place to set up the TIG welder, and I might order another steel plate, and make a nice bench, a bigger welding bench. Or I should just save my money and buy one of those freaking Certiflat, not the Certif. There's a guy on Instagram who sells those welding tables. Sorry, I'm fidgeting. Sells those welding tables. Apparently, real cheap, and they're really good. Come out of China. Yeah, I know you should support American companies, but who the hell makes that shit in America? So anyway, that's pretty much it. Picked up another thing from Harbor Freight, which you'll see in a review. And if you're wondering where the channel's going, I'm going to be posting probably longer videos. I'm going to post one major video a week on a Saturday. And if I pop a few other videos during the week, it'll probably be shorts and some other smaller videos. Every single Tuesday this year, you will have a tool. It will be a Tool Tuesday. I might make a, and if I have more time and I make more videos, I'll just pop them in. But you're guaranteed you'll get a video on a Tuesday and a video on a Saturday and a Monday update. So it's 3 days a week. If I have time and if I'm making dumb videos, I will throw a few dumb ones in there. Shorts I've pretty much cut up after I dump them on my computer. Damn mosquitoes. After I dump all the files on my computer, I usually make I take YouTube and I chop them up into sections and I make shorts out of them. And then when I dump them off my phone, if anybody knows how to get files back on your phone, not back on your phone. If anybody knows how to get files from a computer back into an iPhone, because you can't just drag and drop photos on an iPhone, which is stupid. I might have to buy a Samsung or use an old Samsung. Has a lot of memory and dump all my videos, some older videos on there, so I can take them and turn them into shorts. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this week. Or this week, that was past week. So I will try to upload this tomorrow. It'll probably be in this video. They're about a week. Right now, some of the newer videos are months ahead of time. And some are right like the Monday what's new is about a week or two ahead of it. So what you're seeing, when you see this video, it's what happened about a week before, or 2 weeks possibly, or it gets, the last week's video gets so out of date I just delete it and pop this one in. Also, if you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how you like the video, how you like the channel. So thanks for watching. Toodles.